Hello viewers, welcome to Tradable. So today Nifty closed on flat note, so somewhere 25,017. So this is one of the biggest closings as per the closings. So today's sentiment is about 21 out of 50 positive side and 29 out of 50 negative side. So major positive contributors were ICICI Bank, Infosys and L&T. So negative side contributors were Reliance, Hindustan Lever and ITC. So as per weekly data, so last 2 days data, so still positive side 32 out of 50 and 18 were in negative side. So ICICI Bank, L&T and Infosys majorly positive side contributors, and the negative side ITC, HUL and Kotak Bank. So as per monthly data, still we have 3 more days to close the monthly candle. So Infosys, ICICI Bank, TCS are the top 3 performers in terms of points contribution in positive side. Whereas in negative side, SBI, Power Grid, Maruti and Tata Motors were the weakest performers. So here in index movers, we have created Nifty Plus and Nifty 10. So in Nifty Plus, the purpose of Nifty Plus is majorly Nifty movement. So in that Nifty, we have 3 major dependencies. Number 1, Bank Nifty, number 2, IT Nifty, and number 3, Reliance. So Bank Nifty has more than 35% weightage, IT Nifty has more than 15% weightage, and Reliance has around 10% weightage. So all 3 together 60% weightage. So out of 50 counters, so these 3 are having major dependencies on Nifty. So today, Nifty momentum, how it was done from low to high. So the range was about 100 points, so very small range. So high was around 25,073. So the historical record on high was 25,078 for Nifty. So today's high was 25,073. So range also very narrow range, about 100 points. So coming to here, that 4 by 16 and 0 by 16, these are the observations. So 16 observations are there. Out of 16 observations, how many succeeded and how many failed? So here, positive side 4 closed out of 16 and negative side 0 observations. So remaining 12 observations were in neutral side. So that's why here Nifty, it is indicating in a tilt arrow. So no much momentum for on Nifty in intraday. Even Bank Nifty is also having around 466 points range, and observations wise 15 positive observations and 0 negative observations, and 1 is in neutral zone. Like that, IT also closed about 6 positive observations and only 1 negative, and the remaining 9 were closed in neutral. So that's why the symbol is also showing as neutral. So Reliance also, nothing was paused. So out of 16 observations, 0 paused. So 15 negative side observations succeeded. So market clearly indicates Reliance is in downside. So comparatively, monthly and weekly data. So weekly data is showing some more strength for this week. So Nifty, it is since morning it is in upward direction. All 3 major indices, Nifty, Bank Nifty and IT, 3 are showing in upward direction. So 15 out of 16 succeeded in weekly data on Nifty, and Bank Nifty also 15 out of 16 and IT also 15 out of 16. So all 3 major indices as per weekly data strongly closed. So still we have another some more space to upside, and monthly also here some neutral momentum is there for on Nifty. So 8 out of 16 succeeded and 0 failed. So another 8 were in neutral zone. So Bank Nifty is also showing in downward direction. IT is showing in upward direction, and clearly monthly data it is showing. So Bank Nifty is some more negativity side and IT is in strong upside. So quarterly data, half yearly data, yearly data when we compare. So all 3 major indices, Nifty is showing 16 out of 16 upward momentum, Bank Nifty 14 out of 16 upward momentum, IT 16 out of 16 upward momentum, even Reliance also 16 out of 16 upward momentum. So Nifty 10, so here we are just showcasing the top 10 heavyweights in Nifty. So HDFC Bank, Reliance, ICICI Bank, Infosys, ITC, L&T, TCS, Bharti Airtel, Axis Bank and SBI. So all these 10 heavyweights, the price action momentum, we can able to see how it is moving, in which direction, whether it is in upside or downside or in sideways. So HDFC Bank today in intraday it was showed in neutral side, Reliance completely negative, and ICICI Bank upside, Infosys upside, ITC downside, L&T upside, TCS neutral, Bharti Airtel upside, Axis Bank upside and SBI in neutral. So coming to weekly data, so Nifty is showcasing upside momentum, HDFC Bank neutral, Reliance neutral. So two heavyweights are showcasing in neutral side. ICICI Bank is showing strongly upside. So 14 out of 16 observations passed, and Infosys very firmly closed 16 out of 16 on upside. ITC in downside, L&T is in upside 16 out of 16, TCS neutral, and Bharti Airtel little bit upside 12 out of 16. Axis Bank is also upside 12 out of 16. SBI still it is showing in neutral direction. So likewise we can able to see on each and every time frame what are all the heavyweights which are performing in which side, whether it is in positive side or negative side. So coming to major indices, Nifty, so last 2 days it was closed above 25,000 mark, so which is 100% of last month's range. So 25,000 was the July month's high, and last 2 days, yesterday and today, both days Nifty was closed above 25,000. So the next important levels are 25,237 and 25,384 for the Nifty. So as per pivot points, so the next important hurdle for Nifty would be 25,270 to 25,300. So both important analysis are mentioning that somewhere 25,250 to 25,300 is the major hurdle for Nifty. Likewise, Bank Nifty, so Thursday and Friday both days market Bank Nifty was closed below 51,000, but today and tomorrow, both Monday and Tuesday, Bank Nifty was closed above 51,000. So here 51,000 has some strong support. So compared to last month's data, 51,127 was the 23.6% of last month's range. So both days, today and yesterday, both were closed above that 23.6 level, which is 51,127. So the next hurdles would be 38.2. So as and when it closes above that 51,550 mark, so there will be a bigger momentum we may expect on Bank Nifty. So till 51,900 to 52,250 levels. So as for monthly data, so one of the major hurdle here at 51,900 level, which is monthly CPR level. So still we have 3 more days to close the monthly candle. So 51,900 is the major hurdle. So once it clears, then immediately it may go till 53,000 level. So coming to IT, so IT formally closed above 100% of last month's range, which was 41,381 level. So both Monday and Tuesday, today and tomorrow, today and yesterday, both days closed above that level. So there is a bigger target for IT, that is 42,060 and 42,630 level and 43,000. And coming to monthly's data, so somewhere 42,700 is the next resistance for the IT. So that's all about all 3 major indices. So Nifty and IET both are trading above last month's 100% range above, and IT Bank Nifty still it is trading below that 38.6% level of last month's range. If Bank Nifty closes above 38.6 level above, so there will be a bigger momentum we may expect. So as of now, except banks, so remaining sectors are doing well. So that's all about today's analysis. We'll meet on tomorrow's analysis. Thank you so much.